Here we got a very rare 1959 Plymouth Sport Fury. It's got 1,800 original miles on it. It's convertible. This is a 361 big block. And you would actually, when you look at this block, you look in the front, you see where it goes, the block meets the water manifold. It looks like a 440. It's basically the high block, the 361. They had a 383. That was a big block. It was like the high deck, the high deck. And 413 later than the 440s. This is the original first high deck big block, 361, two 4 barrels on it. 1,800 original miles. It's got the swivel seats. It's got electronic daylight mirror in it. And if you look at the steering wheel, it's like not exactly, it's more flat on the top. The reason is so you can see the gauges better. And they also made the steering wheel like translucent on the top and the bottom so you can see the gauges better, theoretically.
That is so beautiful.
Dual antennas.
You see the full butt ears in there?
Yes, I did.
And these wheels are original. That's original to the car. 1,800 miles on it. That's original. Those are not aftermarket wheels. Those are real wire wheels. This is a 1-year only car. Oh, Barrett Jackson car, man. This is like this is a high dollar car to the max. I don't know what. No, no. This would be the body man's nightmare, though. I can tell you if you ever had to fix something like this. Like, let me get a new quarter.
I haven't seen any of these around.
No.